Hello everyone, here is Kiki. We are Dongchun Motor Company. Nice to see you again today. Today I'm going to show you for the 3-phase motor stator 25 kilowatt 4-pole, how we make the winding. Okay, so let's go to check it. Okay, here is our worker make the winding for 45 kilowatt 4-pole, and the copper wire is 180 degree for high temperature. And hello everyone, so now let me show you for the ready winding one and how it will be. Here is 4-pole. Okay, so let me show you another one here. See, all our motor stator, it must be copper wire, and our standard is 180 degree for the high temperature. Okay. Show you here. Is how we make the winding. This is our silicone lamination. And here is for the winding, and with copper wire 180 degree for high temperature. Hello everyone, here is Dongchun Motor Company in China, and now we are making the winding for 3-phase motor 45 kilowatt 4-pole, and we make the copper wire with 180 degree, and our worker have more than 10 years experience. Hello everyone. So just now I have some new friend coming. So let me show you again for the ready winding stator. Here is the ready one for 45 kilowatt 4-pole. And all the copper wire is 180 degree for high temperature. Okay. Now we make for here the ready one. This one is 45 kilowatt 4-pole for 3-phase motor. Okay, so let me show you again for the assembling line and the production line. Which motor is on the production line now? So, okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is for the 15 kilowatt 4-pole, and you see all the stator with the PTC. Okay, everyone. So thank you for watching today. If you have any requirement for the 3-phase and single-phase motor, or if you have any suggestion, welcome to send me email or add me WhatsApp or WeChat. So I'm waiting for your information. Thank you. So here I'm showing you my name card. Okay, here is our catalog and also my name card. My name is Kiki Liu, and Dongchun is our logo. And here is our company name, Taizhou Dongchun Motor Company Limited. And we are in China. Here is my cell phone number. That is also WhatsApp number and WeChat number. And I'm sure if you have Viber or Line, you can use the same same number to find me, okay? And here is my email address. You also can scan the QR code. It's easy to save all information in your mobile. Okay, thank you for watching again. Okay, thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye bye. My name is Kiki. Bye bye from China. Thank you.